All right, the refrigerator and freezer, pretty straightforward. Freezer has an ice maker. I will typically have this turned on and cooled down before a renter takes it. Looks like it's automatically seeing AC power. It can be switched between AC and LP for propane for dry camping, but generally always runs off of shore power when you have it. Temperature set, I usually have it on 7. Probably can just leave that alone. The ice maker runs off of the onboard water supply from the fresh water when the water pump is on. And so the fresh water supply will provide the ice, and we've used that for extended periods of time, and it's been fine in our drinks. And so that's up to each person if they want to do that. There isn't a lot of space. It's kind of a typical size freezer and fridge. This motorhome doesn't have the real nice big ones, but it does fine for a few days worth of food at a time. So that's it on the fridge.